Before you spend hundreds of dollars replacing expensive engine parts, watch this video. If your car has the P0303 code, I'll show you the exact causes, simple tests, and the easiest fixes you can do yourself, even if you're not a mechanic. If your vehicle is throwing a P0303 error code, this video will guide you through 2 practical ways to fix it at home. Just fire up the Zeus app to scan your car and locate the error code. This simply means that cylinder number 3 is currently experiencing a misfire. You can try these 2 easy DIY methods to fix the issue, starting with method A, the spark plug. The spark plugs are located at the engine end of the wires, beneath the plug covers that secure them. To begin, you'll need to carefully remove the spark plug. Next, use a spark plug gapper to check its gap spacing. Normally, this should fall between 0.024 and 0.071 inches. As you can see here, the gap is a bit too narrow, so use the tool to adjust it back to the proper spec. However, if you notice any visible damage on the spark plug, it's best to go ahead and replace it with a new one. Method B, the ignition coil. Typically, ignition coils are mounted directly on the cylinder head, right above each spark plug. First, carefully detach the ignition coil from the engine, then inspect it closely to see if there are any signs of stains or damage. Should you find the ignition coil covered in engine oil or stains, go ahead and clean it using a WD-40 cleaner. Otherwise, swap out the faulty coil for a fresh one. So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix the P0303 error code. Once the repair is done, you can use the Zeus app to clear the error code and tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. If this video helped you diagnose your car, hit the like button and subscribe to Engine Clinic for more simple engine code fixes. Comment below your car model and P0303 symptoms. I'll help you find the possible cause.